stop scrolling for a second. If you're into drones, FPV flying, or immersive content creation, what you're about to see could change the game entirely. After months of leaks, insider chatter, and early images, the DJI Avata 360 is finally shaping up to be a true next-generation aerial platform. And yes, it's looking as ambitious as the rumors suggested. The drone industry has been evolving fast, smarter obstacle avoidance, longer flight times, advanced camera systems, but the real revolution is happening in 360 degrees capture. Competitors pushed spherical imaging into the spotlight, and DJI has clearly responded. The Avata 360 isn't just another FPV drone, it's a hybrid platform designed for immersive video, cinematic flight, and professional content creation. Leaks confirm a compact FPV-style drone with aerodynamic improvements, flatter, longer, with 4-blade propellers, reinforced guards, and camera protection designed for high-risk maneuvers and indoor flying. The dual-lens system allows both traditional FPV flight and full 360 degrees capture, while onboard AI stitches the feeds into a seamless 8K spherical video. Add a redesigned charging hub, multi-battery ecosystem, and full RC2 controller compatibility, and it's clear DJI is building a complete creator-focused platform. The Avata 360's standout feature is its true 360 degrees capture mode. Two ultra-wide lenses shoot 180 degrees each, combining for full 8K video at up to 50 frames per second. That means post-flight reframing, cinematic moves after takeoff, and immersive VR-ready content. FPV mode still delivers impressive single-lens performance, with 5K video and detailed stills. This dual functionality makes the Avata 360 versatile for creators who want both freedom and cinematic control. Transmission upgrades via O4 Plus extend effective range up to 20 km with cleaner, low-latency video feeds. Battery life improves slightly to around 25 minutes, with onboard storage potentially jumping to 128 GB and microSD support. Advanced dual-lens sensing and obstacle avoidance promise safer flights even during 360 degrees capture, while multiple flight modes cater to beginners, intermediate pilots, and full manual FPV enthusiasts. Leaked pricing suggests entry-level bundles around $450 to $500, mid-tier packages with RC2 controllers around $600 to $700, and high-end Fly More bundles approaching $1,000 globally. This signals DJI is targeting serious creators rather than casual users, aiming to combine FPV thrill with professional 360 degrees capabilities. The DJI Avata 360 isn't just a drone, it's a new era for immersive aerial storytelling. From adrenaline-fueled FPV flights to cinematic 360 degrees content, it's shaping up to be one of the most ambitious drones ever released. If you're ready to push the boundaries of aerial creativity, this is the drone to watch.